response to the worldwide criticism of assimilation policy of the Chinese Communist Party, the Chinese government plans to produce a propaganda film designed to portray inmates in the detention centers in East Turkestan as happy and proud Chinese. Despite numerous evidences, the Chinese state still denies the existence of the internment camps and continues to remain silent about the numerous deaths that were a victim to this policy. Donald Trump warns Israel for relations with China as it could jeopardize the security of US-Israeli cooperation. Israeli TV channel 13 reported. US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo notes that the Chinese state is using a tactic that uses debt to lure other countries into a trap. In the Roman Catholic Church Notre Dame in Paris, a fire broke out. The cause is still unclear, possibly the current renovation plays a role. The roof has collapsed as a result of the fire. It also reached into the areas to be restored, as Parisian security authorities reported. The fighting in Libya alone claimed more than 147 casualties in the last 12 days. According to the World Health Organization, about 150 people died and 614 more were injured in heavy battles for travelers. The UN High Commissioner for Migration Filippo Grandi held a press conference after a meeting in Berlin with the German Chancellor. They led a conversation about the situation of the migrants. Grandi also expressed concern over the conflict in Libya, which could move more people into migration than it did in 2011.